Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log in Instagram from Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first of all, you're gonna go ahead access your Instagram, and you can see I'm already logged out of my account and this kind of div is gonna open up. If I tap on this login option, I will get logged into my account without adding any information, right? So you gotta tap on this option called login to another account, right? And you're simply gonna go ahead add your username or email address or mobile number that is associated with your Facebook account. So if your both Facebook and Instagram account is linked and saved, you're going to enter the same information as of your Facebook account. You're going to enter the same password and tap on this login option, and then you will be able to get logged into your account through your Facebook's information. You do not have a direct option of going to your Facebook or going to Instagram either and simply accessing login from Facebook. You will have to enter the information individually if you would like to do so. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.